guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday, hope you're all smashing it. Well, we were going to give this video a miss today, that is the draggy times on the e46, because the heavens have opened but it's dried up.
It's cleared up a bit, hasn't it?
Cleared up a bit. So as we said previous video, we're getting the 46 out, we're in it. Just filled up with fuel, just going to warm it up a bit first. It's not been used for how long properly?
Yeah, it's about 2 weeks, isn't it?
Yeah. So the whole point of this today is what's this on now, Tom? 200 and...
It's on 256,000, so
give or take 260. Moon and back.
Yeah.
Big mileage. So the general test today is now this is a later model, so this is a 2003, isn't it?
2003, it's the facelift, so it's the 6-speed with the 204 brake.
302 pound of torque. It's a 7-second car, and it's 150 mile an hour back when produced. Now them figures are a bit give and take depending where you look on the internet, but let's just get out and see if it can get anywhere near factory. So this,
well, it should do, shouldn't
yeah.
it? It's been mapped, it's had EGR, it's had the swirl flaps done.
Yeah.
So it should.
Air filter.
Yeah, air filter. Probably needs a clean though. It's
Yeah.
K&N air filter.
K&N this time.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's got the pluses there now. We were talking, Tom can't quite remember what the figures were from when it was mapped, and it was mapped a long time ago. Because how long have you had this car? About 7?
I think it's about 7 years on and off. So it used to be Liz's. I've had it. Is it coming up 3 years?
Yeah.
Or yeah, I think it's just coming
So
up 3 years.
the guy said to Tom or Liz, was it Lizzie?
No, it was one of Liz's mates. Well, a lad she knew from the gym. He does quite a bit on BMWs, and one of his friends did like the generic mapping.
Right.
Now I don't think he did it as a business. He just kind of did it.
Just had the software. Right.
Just had the software for it. So he mapped it. I asked Liz, and she thinks from what she can remember, he said it should be about 280 brake. Now I can't remember whether he said that'll be if you do the DPF on it, or no, sorry, the downpipe on it. As I say, it was years ago. So
we were a bit like 280 brake.
Sounds quite a lot like. I don't know what the torque figures were like.
Big figures. So normally you get a bit more torque than the power when mapping the old diesel, don't you?
You'd expect it, probably at least about 100 newton meters.
Yeah. So we're not quite sure. The only way to find out really is to roll in road it, but we're not going to do that anytime soon. Anyway, we just want to see if it's anywhere near the original factory figures, around 7 seconds, which we'd be pretty happy with 260,000 miles. So real life experiment today, guys. How the old engines perform with 250,000
yeah, just
miles on the clock.
250,000 miles.
So give it a little warm up now, find our 60 mile an hour location. Let's start some draggy times. Connect on
30.
trial run.
60.
Maybe we should have DSC on there.
Yeah. Right.
60. Quarter
That
mile.
was just a little experiment, guys. The two of us in the
It's
car.
a quarter of a mile then.
I know.
This
Yeah, what's that? 60. That's 7.97 with 2 heads in. That's not bad. That's not bad.
There
you go, you hit 60. Slow down. Right guys, well, we've cut that a bit short now.
Is that still doing the driving?
Yeah, it's on track.
Oh, you're watching
yeah,
it
it's
on
still
there,
on.
right?
I'm just looking at the figures on your phone so I can quote them back. But
Yeah, I'll put the window up, eh?
we've cut that a bit short because the old girl.
Yeah,
wants on.
it's got well. It's basically it's running fine, but it's got a bit of a judder on idle. So obviously with the mileage on it, you don't know whether the chain's been done. I don't want to risk crashing it. Like,
the one pull you did actually kicked a load of smoke out the back.
yeah.
Not mega, you know, to see on the video, but so we've got a few times here. 7.1 being the best, which is a valid time.
Yeah. What's the first one?
The first one where you were smoking it down the road was like 9 point something, but no wonder we were all over the show.
Yeah, it's just wheel spinning, wasn't it?
And then what have we got? A 9.3, sorry, 7.3 that was invalid, and 7.9 that was invalid. So in all fairness, you know, play it back all day, but 7.1, yeah, we were sort of all boing. We were hoping, blinking heck, we never sorted this bit out.
No, they didn't. They retargeted that bit, but not this bit.
So 7.1s.
Because that's not bad. I mean, that was what? That was really only 3 attempts, wasn't it?
And, you know, we don't want to kill the car.
Yeah.
You know, if there is something that needs attending to, we want to attend to it while it's still running, not stuck by the side of the road.
Yeah, true.
Cut that one short. It has got nearly 260,000 on the clock. You probably think, what were you doing?
Well, it's not been used for 2 weeks as well, hasn't it? So we have
Yeah.
warmed it up. It has been for a good drive first, but
So there we go. The car has had mods. Then what it'd do is probably be faster if it was standard.
probably.
But
No, I mean, to be honest, it actually, like driving this one compared to the 91, it does feel like it's got a little bit more, like it feels like you can feel this as being mapped like, but I think it's all in the start, isn't it?
yeah,
And we wheel spinned a bit. I think the second one I tried, I had DSC, I didn't turn that off, and that was flickering like mad.
yeah.
I think that was the 7.3, I think it was. So because that one, the 7.1 was the one you filmed it from the outside as well, hadn't you? Yeah. So I think we'll leave it at that. I'm not going to kill it.
Don't push our luck with it. Like as soon as Tom said, I said like let's just go.
Yeah.
Let's not ruin a Sunday.
Yeah, true. Get stranded. Call the AA out.
Yeah. So there we go, guys. You know, the car. If you want to base it on that, it's like 0.1 odd. So the second slower.
Yeah.
260.
I'm a bit gutted at that. I think I am just being a bit cautious with it, but
I know you don't want to rev it.
No. No.
Different with the manuals as well, isn't it? You get the grit in your teeth and you go for it. So yeah, call it a day on that. So a little real life experiment. It still doesn't perform bad, but I think it needs a bit of maintenance.
Yeah, I think so. I'll have to have a look at it. So I'm not using it all the time. So but yeah.
So there we go, guys. The 46. Remember, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.